Today we're going to be playing Subway Surf. So, you can see my hand, can't you? So, let's start. So, as you can see, it's pretty easy. Oh, I don't have any surfboards. This is going to be hard without surfboards. I'm good. Oh, I died. But it's not the end of the video. Home, me, rewards, and I forgot to collect this. 3 bronze keys. No, 3 normal keys. So go back. Let's start. Come on. I could beat this score. I'm definitely sure, but I can. Oh, I could just do this. Why do I have to stay as this skin? I don't want to be Jake. Gia. Who's Gia? Come on. Next time I die, I'm going to end the video. Nanny, do you think I'm good at this?
Very good.
It's not me actually holding the camera, it's just my nanny. Yay. Yay, 500 coins! So, already, you've seen a good taste of how good I am at this game. Right?
Yeah.
And I'm going to try and beat this score. If I do, that'll be awesome. But if I don't, I don't know. We'll end the video if I don't. Oh, I died.
You just got run over by a train.
Yeah? Oh.
Oh, and again.
Okay, this is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed.